black poles. Stop. Let's reverse. Reverse. Yeah. Sharp left. So now we are going uphill, use a little bit of power, accelerate, and while coming downhill, use the brakes to control the brake. Accelerate a little more acceleration. Slow it down. Continue at high speed. Now we are going to enter a steep ditch here. So entry has to be very slow. Start turning. Start turning. Yeah. Slow it down. Slow it down. Very good. Start entering slowly. Straighten out the steering wheel. Yeah. Keep going. Proceed. Keep going. Very good. Turn left. 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 Excellent. Yeah. Straighten it up. Both arms on the steering. Accelerate. Accelerate. More acceleration. More acceleration. Very good. Very good. Continue. Once we get that to the top, we'll stop the car. Keep going. Stop it. A little more. Keep going, keep going, keep going, and stop. 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 Yeah. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start letting go of the brakes gently and let the hill descent control take control of the car. Okay, so start letting go of the brakes gently. Yeah. Start letting go slowly. Very good, very good. Leave the brakes completely. Completely leave the brakes. Completely leave them.
Sure?
Yeah. Just leave them. Just leave them. Very good. This is the hill descent control, figuring out how to provide the best grip to the car so that it comes down comfortably and in control. Okay. Now while entering this section, it's called the articulation section. While going down, the car has to go in smoothly and slowly. While coming up, use the throttle to bring it back. Keep going. Very good. Gentle acceleration. And brakes. Maintaining speed. Very good. And left wheels on top. Continue. This is the passenger side incline. Keep going, slow it down. Very good. Gentle acceleration. Hold the acceleration. Hold it pressed. Slow down. That's it. Very good. Slow it down. This is the axle twister section. Be careful of the rocks. Turn a little right. Keep going. Continue. Very good. Now we enter the driver's side incline, starting with the ditch. So enter the ditch slowly. Very good. Leave the brakes completely.
Leave it.
Yeah. Now gently accelerate. More power. Very good. More power. Excellent. Stay over the right line. Keep going. It's the driver's side incline. Very good. Now let's stop the car over here. Stop. The car in reverse and back in drive so that the cameras turn on. Reverse and drive. Excellent. Use some power to get up the hill and stop the car. More power. More power and keep going, keep going, keep going. And stop. Stop. Very good. Okay, now gently start releasing the brakes and leave the brakes completely. Completely leave the brakes. So you see how the car is controlling itself? Are you trying to press the brakes or the accelerator? No. Alright, now let's continue in the cave section. Be mindful of both sides of it. On the right side. Little to the left. Left, left. right-hander on the way up, so use a little bit of power. Full right. Give me more power. More power, more power. Very good. Keep it that direction. Keep going. Continue. You're doing very well so far. Let's use the driver's side or passenger side incline again. Yes. Keep going, keep going. Move it to the right. A little more right. Now sharp left. Let's get on top of this place and stop the car. Stop, 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 stop. Straighten the steering wheel. Okay. Start going ahead gently. Let go of the brakes. Control the car, control it, control it, control it. Very good, very good, very good. Go a little to the left. Keep going. Keep going. And now leave the brakes completely. Leave them. Yeah. Let the car go down on its own. Straighten the steering wheel. Excellent. Keep it straight. Very good. Let's go. Stop here and let's do a driver switch. Okay. Press the parking button, that button on the back.